Modern farming needs precision. GPS land leveling systems bring efficiency to your dozer. Satellites send signals to the local base station. The base station knows its exact position and sends correction data to the dozer in real time. The dozer compares its blade position to the target grade. If the blade is too high, it lowers automatically. Too low, it raises. All in real time. Operators see a 3D map of the field, showing high and low spots instantly. GPS systems let you export field records. And also import ready-made project designs in XML or DXF formats. With GPS land leveling, your fields are flatter, irrigation is better, and yields improve. The future of land leveling is here.